हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग वो सारे पर्सनालिटीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे जो यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स 2023 में आने के जिनके चांसेस बहुत हाई है। गाइस, ये पर्सनालिटी का लिस्ट मैंने लास्ट 10 ईयर्स के पेपर को एनालाइज करके और लास्ट 1 ईयर्स के करंट अफेयर्स को एनालाइज करके निकाला है। गाइस, लास्ट 30 डेज में आपको सारे पर्सनालिटीज़ पढ़ने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है और ना ये पॉसिबल है। आपको उन पर्सनालिटीज़ पे फोकस करना है जिनके आने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है। और गाइस, एवरी ईयर यूपीएससी में एटलीस्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस पर्सनैलिटी बेस्ड जरूर आते हैं और ये काफ़ी हाई स्कोरिंग होता है। तो इन पर्सनैलिटीज़ को आप पक्का तैयार करके जाएं प्रीलिम्स 2023 के लिए। तो गाइज, मेरा नाम संतोष पांडे है। मैंने यूपीएससी का प्रीलिम्स 6 के 6 बार निकाला है। मैंने स्टेट पीसीएस में भी टॉप रैंक सिक्योर किया है और मेरे प्रीलिम्स के स्कोर बहुत ही हाई रहे हैं और फॉरेस्ट्री के कट ऑफ से भी ज़्यादा रहे हैं। गाइज, तो आप यदि लास्ट 30 डेज में इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो मैंने लाइक लिस्ट आउट किए हैं उसको आप प्रैक्टिस करें, उस पर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करें, उसको आप तैयार करें तो आपको बहुत ही फ़ायदा होने वाला है। सो गाइज, लेट अस बिगिन। गाइज, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी जो इस साल 2023 प्रीलिम्स के लिए है वो है राजा राम मोहन रॉय, बिकॉज उनका 258 ओके बर्थ एनिवर्सरी हम लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। राजा राम मोहन रॉय को हम लोग फादर ऑफ इंडियन रेनेसां भी कहते हैं। तो आप देखेंगे कि राजा राम मोहन रॉय पे किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं या किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा, उनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में आएगा। तो उन्होंने एक आत्मीय सभा और ब्रह्मो सभा, ओके ब्रह्मो सभा, ओके इन्होंने बनाया। ओके, क्वेश्चन नहीं तो ब्रह्मो समाज के ऊपर आ सकता है। व्हाट वेर द आइडियाज विच वेर प्रोपोगेटेड बाय ब्रह्मो समाज। ओके, व्हाट वेर द आइडियाज ऑफ राजा राम मोहन रॉय, उनके आइडियाज के बारे में आ सकता है। रैशनलिज्म, ओके, एंड व्हाट वर द बुक्स रिटन बाय राजा राम मोहन रॉय। ओके, व्हाट वेर द सोशल एविल्स which Raja Ram Mohan Roy opposed. Okay, so various social evils like Sati he opposed. Okay, so all these kind of questions can come from Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Please prepare this topic from the old NCERT and the spectrum. Okay, the second personality which is very important this year, okay, वो है आपका स्वामी दयानंद। स्वामी दयानंद का भी हम लोग 200 बर्थ एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। स्वामी दयानंद बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फिगर है सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स में। इन्होंने आर्य समाज बनाया and he gave the slogan of return back to Vedas. Okay, go back to Vedas. That is very famous. Go back to Vedas. Okay, so he believed in going back to the Vedic knowledge. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, Dayanand Saraswati, Arya Samaj. Next personality which is very important this year is Annie Besant. This year we are celebrating 175th birth anniversary of Annie Besant. Annie Besant was associated with Theosophical Society. Okay, UPSC ने already ये question पूछ दिया है, but she was also associated with home rule movement. Okay, so this was not asked, has not been asked by UPSC, so ये पूछ सकते हैं. She also okay helped in setting up educational institutes in Banaras. Okay, so that is also very important about Annie Besant. Next important personality this year is Savarkar. Savarkar is one of the most important figures in the freedom struggle movement. Okay, he was associated with various secret revolutionary organizations, okay, Mitra Mela, etc., etc. So you should prepare about Savarkar and you should also prepare about Andaman jail. Andaman jail, okay, and naming of Andaman and Nicobar Island. So very important figure Savarkar. You should prepare the various organization he was associated to, and you should also prepare okay like various leaders he was associated in, not just in India but in foreign countries also. Very important. Okay, particularly UK and US. Okay, next personality which is very important this year is Aurobindo. Guys, he was also a revolutionary who later on turned into a spiritual leader. He gave okay the philosophy of integral yoga, which is very important. Okay, in Aurobindo you should prepare the various revolutionary activities he was associated with in his early career, and you should also prepare the Alipur conspiracy, okay, and various revolutionary organizations of Bengal like Yugantar, etc., etc. Okay, next important figure is Tipu Sultan. Guys, Tipu Sultan is a very important figure who fought the Britishers, okay, in the South India, and you should prepare all the Anglo-Mysore war and Tipu Sultan's contribution to the modern India. At the same time, there are some controversies also associated with Tipu Sultan. You should be aware of that. Next important figure is Periyar. Guys, Periyar is one of the very important social reformers in South India. Okay, he is okay very important, and he was associated with various reform movements in South India. He was against caste discrimination, etc., etc. Okay, so you should know Periyar. Next, very important social reform movement this year and leaders associated with Vaikum Satyagraha is very important. Guys, Vaikum Satyagraha was a temple entry movement, in Travancore, okay, in south, okay. And this year we are celebrating 100 years of Vaikum Satyagraha, so very, very important. Related to Vaikum Satyagraha, Mahad Satyagraha also you should be aware of. Gandhiji had supported Vaikum Satyagraha. You should know all the leaders associated with Vaikum Satyagraha. Okay, I have made already a video on this. Please watch that video. Next important figure is Narayan Guru. Okay, this is also covered in the NCERT and Spectrum. Please read it. Next, Saint Chavara. Then leaders like Chidambaram Pillai. Subhash Chandra Bose is also very important. Guys, he was initially associated with Indian National Congress, and later on he left Indian National Congress after Tripuri session and founded Forward Bloc. Later on he left India to found Indian National Army, which played a very important role in the India's freedom struggle movement. Okay, so you should know contribution of Subhash Chandra Bose. He was once associated with Congress. Okay, and he was mostly he was socialist in his outlook, and he was a very good companion or a friend of Nehru. Okay, you should know. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose, phenomenal contribution to Indian freedom struggle movement. He gave various slogans also. Okay, you should know them. Next, Udham Singh and Kartar Singh Saraba. Okay, leaders associated with Gadar Party. Okay, Gadar Party, you should know. Gadar Party already UPSC has asked question last year, so this year they might not ask. Then Guru Tegh Bahadur. Sikh Gurus are very important this year, and this Gurudwara reform movement is also very important this year. Okay, Gurudwara reform movement. Okay, I have, where is it? Gurudwara reform movement. Okay, I have missed it. Okay, please note it down. Gurudwara reform movement. Okay, Gurudwara reform movement. Gurudwara reform movement is very important this year. Then Alluri Sitaram Raju, very important figure. Okay, Alluri Sitaram Raju, there was a movie made. Okay, Triple R. Okay, should know. Then Kempe Gowda, he is also in news. Bhagat Singh, always very important every year. Bhagat Singh and the HSRA and HRA. Okay, Hindustan Republican Army and Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, and various revolutionary activities. Okay, led by Bhagat Singh, very, very important. Okay, the two bills which he opposed and he threw bomb in the assembly, you should know the names of those two bills. Then V.O. Chidambaram Pillai, Swadeshi movement. Aurobindo Ghosh, okay. Abhindranath Tagore, okay, for his painting. Nationalistic paintings, very important. Then Raja Ravi Verma is also in news this year. Okay, Raja Ravi Verma is also in news. He also is known for his painting. Okay, he was he introduced various new style of paintings in India. So very, very important, Raja Ravi Verma. Okay, then Rabindranath Tagore is also important, and his organization Shanti Niketan is very important. Then this year tribal leaders are very important. All tribal leaders and tribal movements are very important. I have prepared a list of tribal leaders like Tilka Manjhi, Buddhu Bhagat, Tirot Singh, okay, Sidhu and Kanu. Okay, all the names of the tribal leaders. You should just know these names of the leaders and their various movements. No need to go very deep. Just need to know the leaders and the movement they were associated with. They can give you match the pair question. So all these leaders, okay, all these important personalities will be covered in my Optima cards. Okay, I'll show you my Optima cards also. Okay, so you can see some of the not that important, but they were in news. Okay, leaders also I have given this list of less important leaders also. You can get this list from my my Telegram channel. Okay, you can get this list, very, very important. And if you need that Optima cards, do check the link which is given below, and the number is also given below this video. Have a look at it, guys. You can see this Optima card which I was telling you. For every important personality and every important topic for prelims 2023, I made this Optima card, that is for last minute revision. You can see all the leaders of the movement. Okay, Vaikum Satyagraha, T. Madhavan, K.P. Keshwan Menon, George Joseph, everyone is mentioned. Even Periyar's name is mentioned. Mahatma Gandhi's name is also mentioned. So all the important facts regarding this movement has been mentioned in one Optima card, which will help you to revise in the last week. Guys, last year at least 20 to 25 questions came directly from the Optima card. Please don't miss this chance of revising in the last moment the most important and expected topics for the prelims 2023. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.